In this video, we're going to be talking about Builderall's affiliate program and if it's worth promoting as an affiliate. What is up, guys? Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and if you haven't yet hit the like button, please help me out. Hit that like button, subscribe, show me some love with some comments, and we're gonna jump right into this video and let you know if the Builderall affiliate program is worth it. Okay, so let's jump into my computer and let's check it out. Alright guys, so we are now in my computer, and what you see here on the screen is the Builderall affiliate page. Okay, so if you see the link in my description, you'll be able to sign up to the Builderall affiliate program for free, absolutely free. Okay, to sign up, and I'll walk you through this whole sign up process in a bit, but the link is right here. Become an affiliate today, 100% free and scalable business opportunity, and I'll break down exactly what you get and everything. But first, let me play this video so you can actually see, and I'm not gonna play the whole thing because it's pretty long, but I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what Builderall is all about, and what you can be expecting as a Builderall affiliate. So I'm gonna play about like 15 seconds of it. If you want to skip, if you've watched it before, then skip 15 seconds ahead and we'll be over it. But let's get that video started now.
Get to know the online business that gave me the lifestyle and financial independence that I had always dreamed of, and discover how you can start today doing the same thing yourself. Find out how it's possible for you to build the business of your dreams while you make money with our incredible and innovative system.
Alright guys, pretty cool if you ask me, right? With this platform, you can promote this tool and make so much freaking money, right? And not only is it just any affiliate program, right? It's a pretty good business in a box. It's a program that is actually scalable, something you can promote, not no course, not a get rich quick kind of thing. This is a real business, and there's many business owners that need a business like this. A lot of online entrepreneurs, a lot of affiliate marketers that if they learned about Builderall, it would change their life tremendously. So we'll go through this in a bit, but let's go down here and see. So the real people who've already built their businesses, right? We got Chaz here, Shelly Turner, and she's actually very involved. Once you are a part of the affiliate team, she is in there like dropping videos left and right. She's in charge of some of the live streams that Builderall does, and you know, she's extremely helpful. What's the Builderall Leverage Affiliate Program? So long story short, they've already invested millions of dollars in making this platform amazing and extremely useful for any entrepreneur, no matter what niche you're in. And they've also paid out millions of dollars to their affiliates already. It's already been a business that's been around for some time and still fairly new if you compare it to businesses like ClickFunnels and other ones, where people still need to be exposed to. And if you help bridge that gap of exposure, you can be making a nice commission, $69.90 one time with a 30% recurring. And we're gonna jump into it, guys. We're gonna jump into this right now. So if you see this, you can read all this on their website. You can learn about Eric Salgado, who is the CEO and founder of Builderall. But here we are at the commissions, because I know you guys care about those commission rates, right? That money you can actually make. So you get 100% of that first time sale, no matter if it's the $69.90 plan or the $29.90 plan. I still recommend everyone to shoot for that high plan. If you want to promote Builderall, you got to be on that high plan. But as an affiliate, you get 100% commission. You get 30% recurring, and then a second tier. And this is where it comes in as building that team up and those bonuses that I have for you, because that's the win-win situation of this thing. If I create a team of Builderall affiliates and I help you succeed and you get signups, I'll get a 30% commission from that, and so will you. And it's a win-win situation. That's why I want to help you guys succeed. So if you sign up today, become a Builderall affiliate. You'll find a link on the description. You can sign up as a Builderall affiliate, start promoting it today, and when you do, for that $69.90 plan, I will throw in these 3 bonuses for you that one-on-one coaching call where whatever your goal is with affiliate marketing or with Builderall that you want to accomplish, I'll help you with that. A course for you to understand how to use Builderall, and a course that you will learn how to promote Builderall. So these bonuses will not be here forever because I will cut it off at some point when the group gets too big. I want to be able to, have a small interactive group helping you succeed. And I think I'm going to cap it at 50. And you're going to see why I should cap it at 50. If we go down here, they have a calculator where you could simulate your earnings, right? So if we see here, right, let's say I just want to get 50 affiliates and spend my focus on you guys, you first 50 only. That's all I want to get to, right? Starting off, right? Put all my energy into you guys. So I get 50 sales, 50 affiliates, and I know it says a year, but I'm shooting for, within the months, right? Well, how many sales can each affiliate make in a year? So out of those 50 people that, I bring into Builderall right now alone as it is, if I were to bring in 50 of you guys, I would be at a monthly recurring of 1,048, and that's monthly, guys, monthly recurring. Now, if I help you get Builderall signups where you can get yourself that full one-time payment and that recurring income as well. Let's say I help you only get 10, each of you guys, only 10. That will skyrocket my monthly earnings to 11,533. So as you can see right here, there's no need to create some massive group. I can make a small interactive group where I can help each one of you succeed with this, where you can start your own group, you can share my videos with your signups, and we can just, take affiliate marketing by a storm. I mean, come on, where can you get another affiliate program where you can be making $11,000 per month? That's the goal, guys. I want you to hit that goal with me. I want to, blow this up along with you guys, and let's just do it, guys. Builderall is an amazing software. It has hundreds of benefits: website building, funnel building, email automation, funnel guides. It has so much. WordPress is now integrated. They have e-commerce in there. And the list of tools is endless. If you continue to watch some of my videos, you're going to see all the tools Builderall has. I have review videos. I have demonstration videos. Just go through it all, and you're going to see why this is the platform for you to use and for you to promote. Because with Builderall, you can make so much money and you can help people along the way. It's a win-win. That's why I do it, to help people like myself break out of the 9-to-5. I haven't broken out yet, but that's the goal. The goal is to leave my job, be able to enjoy financial freedom, travel where I want to go, spend time with my family. And with Builderall, you can build that. You can build that along with having a tool that is amazing, guys. So let's break it down. Let's go through the process right now. If you actually, move forward, become an affiliate today, right? The whole sign up process is free. You can sign up, you can use Builderall, right? You go into Funnel Club, that's what you get here. And then it says purchase my premium plan or no thank you, right? So if I hit no thank you, it takes you right inside of the Builderall back office where you can actually, mess around with the tools. You can create websites on it. You can, create email automation sequences, or you can install more tools. You have access to grab all these tools for 14 days and play around with the software. But when you're ready, and some of them aren't unlocked, right? So if you skip all this stuff here, let's skip everything here. Pretty much just teaches you how to use everything. But yeah, you can unlock all these tools. Most of these tools like WordPress, you cannot. You need to upgrade already to the paid plan. But you can mess around with 90% of them. If I'm not mistaken, only WordPress and the DNS manager are not available to use. Alright guys, so right here you see the affiliate dashboard. So you can see how many leads you have, how many active leads, how many affiliates are signed up under that, and your pay. And you get all this access as the free trial. I wouldn't necessarily say you should promote this software on the free trial, but you should learn how to use the software in the free trial. You can promote it, but you will not get paid until you are a paying customer. So you can actually get some signups, but you will not make any commissions. But I wouldn't recommend you to promote something that you yourself have not used. It's always ethically the best thing to do is to actually use the product, and if you actually believe in the product, then you can promote it. So with this free trial, you can try out Builderall, see if you like it, see if you believe in it, and if you're ready to jump into that paid plan, again, I have the link in my description. I have the training that teaches you how to learn how to use this software. So after your trial is up, if you want to wait the 14 days and play around with it on your own, go for it. And once your trial's up, you're ready to upgrade, hit me up, sign up, and I'll send you those courses where you can actually learn how to use the software properly if you yet haven't learned on your own, and also how to promote this. Again, I want to build a solid team of affiliates. And let me show you guys my back office before I end this, so you can see that I've actually made money from Builderall in the past. So over here I opened up my account, right? And as you can see right here, I have no active leads because I haven't promoted Builderall in a while anymore. But I'm getting back to it. I want to build that solid team with you guys. As you can see, I've had 96 leads since I was a customer from it. I had tier 1 sales, I had 94. And I've made over $500 with Builderall in the past, but that's about to change because together we're gonna blow this out of the water, guys. I honestly believe that Builderall is a great affiliate program to promote. It's not saturated like affiliate programs like ClickFunnels and other ones. It's cheaper, and it's a tool that is just growing tremendously that can, once it's exposed to the right people, it's game over, guys. It's game over, because Builderall is coming, and it's coming strong. It's coming with a wave, so powerful. People are gonna know what Builderall is. So ride that wave with me, guys. Let's get it. Let's make some money with Builderall. Thanks for watching. This was Mike Vaya. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe.